If you are also facing this same problem while installing the VirtualBox on your operating system, then you have to install the Microsoft Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 de-distributable package. So I will first install that. I will show you how to install that. Just move on to your browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 and right here download 64-bit Windows 11. Okay, so click on this first link by Microsoft Learn latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads, and then go to this Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 2022. Then choose, if you have a 64-bit operating system, choose this x64. If you have a 32-bit operating system, choose this x86. I have a 64-bit, so I will go on with this. After clicking, automatically your download will start, as you can see here. After you have successfully downloaded this, go to your file manager and double click this, agree to the license and terms and condition, and click on install. Click yes. It will take some time.
Approximately 10 hours later.
After some time, it will automatically complete, and then it will tell you to restart. So after successfully restarting the computer, I will move on to this VirtualBox installer and double click this. Click on yes, and now the setup wizard has started. Click on next, again next, and yes, yes, and click on install. The installation has started. Wait for some minutes. So as you can see here, finally the installation has completed. I will uncheck this and click on finish. I will, as you can see here, the virtual Oracle VM VirtualBox. It is installed. Double click this and it will take some time to open. It's open now. In the next video, we will see how you can use any other operating system in this VirtualBox.